Oh, we're gonna have to break that CC, I think.
Tearsland, you've got...
Big bomb. Sorry.
We've got a bag of bombs that's underneath that shield.
Alright, you can definitely focus the Bellows operators as your primary target. I'm pretty sure Feldspar will die to Cleaves.
Well, we got downtime on them. Not anymore.
Yeah, obviously, yeah. I mean,
And again, swap away at 20%.
Engineer trying to heal.
There's nothing to heal.
Go.
Focus the operators.
Yep.
Bag of bombs on the ground.
Heat regulator can only take 3 more.
Bellows are dead.
Okay. No, we still got one more, so... After we kill this one, yep, then we'll blow it up.
Blow it now.
I got him.
Yeah, go ahead, blow it up. Keep cleaving the ads for everybody else.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do a raid cooldown real quick while we deal with this. Watch the frontal cone from the operator.
yeah, and the operators
So well
killed.
So Krellick, you're defixated. You can either hang out for a little bit longer or start working on them. Okay, when the engineers go down, work the slag. Yeah, watch out.
Wait for the slag to die before we pull them.
Correct. Because slags are affected by shields.
So the problem is, I think right about the time that we get that slag to go down, I think it's going to bring out another security.
Can you taunt him remotely?
I might be able to reach him from here.
Yeah, if you have to
Especially
leave.
now that this one's pretty much down.
Yeah, if you have to leave. Where the F are the fire callers?
Hey, whatever, that's a good thing.
Alright, there's a guard. Looks like he made a beeline for you, right?
Yeah, I got him.
Alright,
I got the taunt.
First fire call.
Alright, finish off the fire callers now.
I think you can cyclone them too, the fire callers are interruptible.
Yeah, I'd rather kill him though.
Yeah. Yeah, don't cyclone him. Alright, Tira, you're next. Let's move to the next elementalist.
Nice.
Yeah, look at that, no security guards.
Yeah, okay. Alright,
A new one just dropped
Keep him
off.
away. Keep him away till the slag is done, dude.
I got you.
Move away.
And it's down. Awesome job. Alright, fire caller for me to grab.
Cleaving also hits the slags here, though. That's a problem.
You don't want
Not
to
with
kill
the
them.
shield down.
They might blow up on melee, so don't even worry about them.
Yeah, that might actually be better for us to keep that shield down so that the slags don't die.
Yeah. Alright, kill fire crawlers.
I've got one over here that's frog.
I was wondering where he was. Oh, another one dropped. Let's go ahead and kill him.
Alright, Mel or Maybella, you're up next.
There are 2 fire callers over here. And
Drag him. Yeah, drag him over to where we're gonna be fighting if you can, please. So range can start working on stuff.
Yeah. Anybody that can kick, that'd be...
I got one
I got
of them.
my
but-
slag over.
They're dead.
Alright, there's one more, I'll work him.
There's one more.
I
over
got
there.
kicks on him, so just y'all do.
Slag's dead. Back off.
Skull.
Alright,
Hey, everybody.
everybody else.
Got a shield on him too, so if you slag's in there, you don't have to worry about AoE.
But still continue cleaving, because even a little bit of damage to security guards is good.
Hey Hegel, I moved the skull. Just so that you can know which one I'm gonna kick.
Okay, I assume you're kicking Skull?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
Volatile fire and a bunch of range, so just spread out, guys, so we don't nuke each other.
Mine's almost dead, I'm dragging it on.
More fire callers.
2 more fire callers first,
Move.
but work the elementalist. Work the elementalist for DPS. Alright, some more volatile fire, it's about to go off.
Hegs, I have the non-skull one.
Okay. I think I have a guard on me, just FYI.
When we transition, if you don't have volatile fire, go ahead and stack on Moon. If you do, stay out until it explodes.
Kill the ads.
Alright, here we go.
Fire
So,
collar.
yeah.
Alright, nobody has it anymore, so we can stack up.
Putting out a mini thing so that
Up, Carrot, Beck, and Tira just got it, so right now the stack, guys. And Ulaki and Goose just got it too.
Got a guard up.
Don't worry about guard, just work the boss.
Yeah.
Watch from Melt, it still has not... Oh, Ulaki has Melt, so right now... Yep, nice.
Alright, now it's just single target, guys.
Taunting.
I need you to take him.
Staggy has Melt. So Staggy ran to a wall.
I do still have a guard on.
Okay, if I can find him, I'll take him off.
Tira has Melt, Tira Sling.
Guard on the boss, possibly. Yeah, it's on him, Ray. Pull him,
Move
Ray.
him.
Pull the boss, move the boss.
I am.
Alright, guard's
Stop.
I'm about to taunt.
Raids, try to stay stacked.
Taunt.
Tira Sling has Melt. Ulaki has Melt. As soon as Hero comes off cooldown, Hero.
2 minutes.
Carrot has Melt. Katai has Melt.
Shield walls up.
Let's move him a little more. We're getting full up. I'm here.
Taunt.
Beck has Melt.
Hegel, I'm hot.
Tira Slam.
Taunting up in 5.
Carrot.
That slag's about to blow up. Watch out.
Beck has Melt.
Yeah, healers, y'all are standing on a slag.
Stoglin. That's because they fixate us.
Touch Tom.
Move him a little more.
Get that hero ready.
I really want to see in the smoke.
Hero, go ahead, Hero. Yeah, after it's over. Guth has. Katsai has next. That void zone's close. Move when you can.
Nice. He did.
Great job,
Woohoo!
guys.
I think we got this fight.